In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dynamic gallery view in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this option and how to use it to keep your meetings visually organized and focused on the right people at the right time. First, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting on your computer. Dynamic Gallery is all about automatically arranging video tiles so you can see more of the right faces without constantly tweaking your layout. It's especially helpful in medium to large meetings where people join, leave, mute, and unmute frequently. To turn it on, look to the upper right corner of your Zoom meeting window for the View button. It's small, but important, and it controls how everyone appears on your screen. If you don't see it immediately, move your mouse to wake the meeting controls, or exit full screen briefly so the controls become visible. In some cases, certain meeting modes like screen sharing can temporarily change what you see in the top right area, so be sure you're viewing participant videos, not a shared screen. Click View, and a small menu will open with layout choices. From that menu, select Dynamic Gallery. The moment you click it, Zoom will adjust your layout automatically. Instead of a fixed grid, Dynamic Gallery adapts in real time. It prioritizes active participants, reduces visual clutter, and makes better use of space as people turn cameras on and off. You should notice tiles resizing or reordering slightly as conversations shift, so you stay focused on engagement without manually switching views. A few quick tips to get the most out of it. Dynamic Gallery shines when several participants have their cameras on. The more video tiles Zoom has to work with, the smarter the layout feels. If you pin someone, your personal layout will reflect that choice and may limit how dynamic the rest of the grid becomes. The same goes for host-applied spotlighting, which intentionally holds attention on specific speakers. Also, if you don't see Dynamic Gallery in the View menu, you might be on an older app version or using a device type that doesn't support it yet. Running the desktop client and keeping it up to date typically resolves that. That's all there is to it. Open the View menu in the upper right, choose Dynamic Gallery, and let Zoom handle the layout so you can focus on the conversation. If you ever want to change your layout again, return to the same View menu and pick the option that suits the moment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more responsive meeting view.